The Dawn of Humanity. Episode 1. The Birth of Earth.
Before everything we know, before time itself, there was nothing. No stars, no light, no sound. Only an endless ocean of silence. Then 13.8 billion years ago, it happened. From a single point smaller than an atom came everything. The universe burst into existence in an instant.
Then, 13.8 billion years ago, it happened. From a single point smaller than an atom
came everything. The universe burst into existence in an instant.
For the first time, there was light. Atoms formed, stars ignited, and galaxies began to spin.
Creation had begun its eternal dance.
The universe was wild and violent. Stars were born and died in explosions of beauty and chaos.
Was wild.
Among this
and
chaos,
violent.
something extraordinary was forming. A new world. "5 billion years ago, in a corner of the Milky Way galaxy, a cloud of dust and gas began to collapse under its own gravity. At its center, a new star was born, the Sun. From the ashes of countless collisions, our planet was born, a world of fire, molten rock, and endless storms. This was Earth, young, wild, and alive with chaos. The newborn Earth was not a blue world. It was a world of fire. Lava rivers flowed across its surface, and the sky burned with toxic gases. This was not a place for life. It was a furnace of chaos. For millions of years, Earth was under constant attack. Asteroids rained from space, reshaping its surface again and again. Each strike brought destruction, but also the seeds of creation. Among the cosmic visitors came the carriers of life, comets filled with ice. When they struck, they released oceans of water into the air, and for the first time, Earth began to cool. It rained for millions of years. The fire was drowned under endless storms. Oceans rose, and the face of Earth began to change forever. The storm finally ended. The young Earth now had oceans, sky, and solid land. For the first time, the planet rested, ready for something new. Underwater scenes. Lightning strikes the ocean, causing bubbles and sparks. Molecules swirl, connecting and forming complex shapes. For millions of years, Earth was silent. Beneath its endless oceans, there was only water, rock, and time. But within that stillness, something extraordinary was stirring. In the depths of the oceans, volcanoes released heat and minerals. Lightning struck the surface again and again, and in that chemical storm, matter began to change. Molecules danced, joined, and multiplied. And then, a miracle. From chaos and chance, a structure was born that could copy itself. The first cell, small, fragile, but alive. From one cell came many. They learned to share, to change, to adapt. In the darkness of the deep sea, life had begun its endless journey. For 2 billion years, these tiny forms ruled the planet. They breathed, divided, and filled the oceans with oxygen. The air turned blue, and the sky, for the first time, was clear.
Oceans teem with microbial mass.
The Earth was changing again.
Bubbles of oxygen
Continents
rise.
shifted, volcanoes raged, climates evolved, and deep beneath the sea, simple life was preparing for its greatest leap, to land. From a silent world of fire and stone came water, air, and finally, life. Every breath we take today began with that first spark billions of years ago. This is our story, not of humans, but of everything that made us possible. The story of fire, water, and time. The story of the Earth's first breath. And this was only the beginning.